go again.
Hello. I'm Kelly.
Okay, well, I'm Huck. Now you know me. We go again.
Hello. I'm Kelly. You gotta say I'm Bob.
Why?
If they don't know you.
Okay, well, I'm Bob.
Hi. We're
Now you know me.
we're waiting on a train.
We're eating on the light rail.
Yeah, and we have a kaya too.
Somewhere.
There's a kaya.
Anyway.
Yeah, we're waiting on the light rail to take us to the airport.
And then we're getting on a plane.
We get on a plane. It's a little...
We're gonna fly to Florida.
Yeah.
Florida.
So this is gonna be, we're gonna do some different stuff this time, which is super cool, right?
I'm ready for it.
We're gonna stay 3 nights at Port Orleans Riverside, which we haven't been there in like forever. Like
in a royal room.
Forever, in a royal room. And then we're gonna stay 2 nights at Fort Wilderness
Campgrounds and Cabins.
in a cabin. So yeah, we've got some cool stuff. We're gonna meet some friends.
We'll ride some horses.
Ride some horses.
We'll
And
rent a golf cart.
yeah, and eat at different places too.
Yeah.
So,
And we got 3 new restaurants booked, don't we?
I think 4.
4.
3 or 4.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a lot.
New to us.
New to us, yeah. All right, so we'll catch up with you when we get through security at the airport.
Yep.
They just opened up a new area in Denver Airport. So this is what the new, like the floor is all different, and the check-in's all different.
Drop is different.
So that's bag drop. You can weigh your own bag right there, and you drop your bags right there. And they got like, this isn't the only counter. There's like 3 different bag drops. And then they got chairs, and it's all wide open, and the bathrooms are new, and it's amazing, right?
Yep.
It's amazing.
I like the bathrooms.
The bathrooms are cool.
Change temperature.
Yeah, if
The
you,
faucets change temperature. Like if you keep your hand under it, it goes hot and then cold, and then hot and then cold.
yeah, the faucets
like-
change temperatures on
It's
their
like
own.
a comfortable hot
I didn't
and
know
cold.
that.
And then the stalls are like massive. It's like a condo.
Warm. I did wash.
It's cool. Yay, Denver.
Hi there.
Hi.
How are you? We're sitting at close to our gate. We're not at our gate.
Yeah, it's over there.
Yeah, it's like C26, Orlando. This is like the Florida center. We got Fort Lauderdale, Tampa, Orlando.
Yeah.
And there was another Fort Lauderdale that went
Florida corner.
Florida corridor.
Yeah.
We're at the end. Look behind me. You can't see it. Ice trucks. Those are de-icing trucks. That's so cool. Anyway, it was.
I'm talking to Emma. Hi, Emma.
Hi, Emma.
See, look, it's Emma on the phone.
Emma's on the phone. Okay, anyway, this was like so smooth. The drive here was amazing. No cars, no idiots, nothing.
It's like the easiest airport experience we've had.
Yeah, and the new section of this airport is the bomb. I can't wait till they get this place finished. It's gonna be super cool. It's gonna be super futuristic too.
Yeah, the Southwest check-in area was like all new and like open
And shiny and pretty.
and the whole way you drop your bags off is different. So it was very
like-
European.
Yes,
like Heathrow.
like Heathrow. It was
yeah,
like,
if you've never been to Heathrow, it's like Denver now.
it's like you lay your bags down and it sucks it in.
Yeah.
Like that.
And you weigh your bags where you get your self-bags tagged.
Yeah,
too.
where you tag your bag. When you tag your bag, you can weigh it before you get to the place to make sure you're not like overweight, which I am.
Like me.
I'm so glad I don't have to weigh before I get on the plane. It would
Me
be
too,
like,
man.
ooh, no.
But we have to weigh before we go horseback riding.
Yes, we do.
Can I just tell him I don't want to know? Just weigh me and say if you're under 250, you're good.
Yeah, I think that's probably what they do anyway. That's
Probably.
the PC thing to do.
Yeah, probably.
So anyway, we'll figure out when we get there. And I think our plane's almost here.
Yeah, it's late as usual.
Yeah,
That's
you know,
been the norm lately.
that's the thing when you go with late flights, they just kind of get later and later and later every
Yeah.
stop they make.
Yeah.
But
That's alright. We're gonna land after midnight anyway.
yeah,
so
it
it's not
doesn't
like
matter
we
what
can do
time, you know, we land at midnight or 1 o'clock. What's the big deal? It's
Right.
not that big a deal.
Right.
McDonald's is open 24 hours, so
If we need more food after we get there.
we
And
stop.
yeah, we're getting a car this time. We're renting a car.
Yeah, we are.
So we'll see what kind of car choices they have when we get there.
Mm-hmm, because traditionally the late night ones don't have much, but they've been getting better. So
Yeah. The rental car situation has.
I think it's gotten a lot better. So I'm not worried about it.
Yeah.
I'm not going to get stuck with like a Fiat.
Our luggage wouldn't fit in a Fiat.
No.
We'd have to sit on top of the luggage.
Yeah.
Or strap it to the
And
top.
that would make us really tall inside a Fiat. Our head would touch and we'd be like this.
I probably still wouldn't.
No, Kelly wouldn't, but I would. I'd be like, oh my God. Anyway, so we're going to get on the plane in a few and then we'll see you on the plane, okay?
The Mercedes is in the gold section? Dang it. I'll take that little black one. Alright, here's our choices. Cars aplenty. Nissan Rogue. We always like to assess the car situation before we choose. There's a Hyundai Venue. I've never seen that car before. Chevy, what's that one? The gray one? Over here on the right. That's a Nissan. On the right, this is your other right over here. It's a Rogue. Jeep is orange. Kia, that's a big Kia. That's a minivan. Ford. Okay, and the winner is Kia Sorento. It's a nice, it's got a nice raisin color. It's raisin.
Call it plum.
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 Plum raisin.
Plum.
Call it Professor Plum. Professor Plum. Plumella.
At the traffic light,
I'm
use
doing
the
a
left
time
lane
check.
to turn onto North Frontage Road.
It's 1:40 in the morning. The time's fixing to change.
Oh, it is.
Because it's daylight savings
it's
time.
20 minutes.
Well, that's why I said fixing to.
Fixing
Turn
to.
left.
Fixing means a short time.
Yeah, at 2 a.m. the time goes back
To 1.
to 1.
1.
So we gain an hour.
So it's like we got there early.
Yeah. Riverside Drive. Here we go.
Way to sing it.
I did.
Port Orleans Riverside, right there.
It's
See?
not focusing.
It's all big. It's all
Didn't
heavy.
focus.
In a quarter mile,
Oh,
turn
we
right.
just traveled into Louisiana.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
Here we are. Oh, it's got a tiny little beep.
Tiny little beep.
Our car is named Annette
Prunicello.
Prunicello. Because it's a prune color.
Prune colored. And we're gonna have nice, easy movements.
Annette Prunicello. There we go.
Did you know what that?
Yeah,
play
nice,
on?
easy movements.
Alright, can we go now?
Look, that is Orion. The constellation. Orion, right there.
I'm so bad
Boy,
at stars.
You can see Orion's belt right there.
That's
Look.
great.
Can you move?
Right. Orion's bell. If you don't move, I'm going to take it off of you and whoop your ass.
Here we are. Yay! Here we are.
Here we are.
The floor's different.
That's wood.
Didn't used to be.
No, it used to be carpet.
Used to be carpet.
They
Look.
refurbed.
Yeah. This is like hardwoodish.
We should buy some tap shoes.
So we could tap.
Tappy tap tap.
Okay.
Are you ready? Do it. Flip the switch.
Flip the switch. Ready, go.
Wrong switch.
Wrong switch.
There you go. There you go.
I thought it had
They
fireworks.
used to.
No, it never did.
It's on the
Yes, it
side. You
On
goombas.
the side.
Oh,
There it goes.
Fireflies.
See, look.
It's not fireworks, it's fireflies.
Yay. See, I told you it was fireworks.
oh crap! It's fireworks.
So pretty.
So pretty.
You have too many lights on. You should see the fireworks
Yeah.
without the lights on. Hi, it's like light crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna give you, okay, really quickly. There we go. There we go. Focus. Isn't that
Our own
amazing?
personal fireworks.
It's so amazing. Da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. That's so cool.
Choo-choo.
All right, let's do a quick room tour of the Royal Room. We are in what?
9006.
Yeah, but what's the name of the building?
It's the Oak Manor.
Oak Manor. Oak Manor.
Oak Manor.
So you come on in. Here's your air conditioner unit. You got a table, a letter from
Tiana.
Miss Tiana,
Tiana.
and some silhouettes.
Silhouettes.
And a mirror. Hello. And a light up here.
Round.
Round light. It's round.
Round.
And another chair.
With a back.
And plenty of floor space.
Round.
So you have 2 queen beds, and of course there's plenty of floor space for the suitcases and whatnot. Over here. 2 queen beds, only 1 table in the middle though.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, fart fizzle on that.
and then this is the television.
Television.
3 drawers, and this is going to be your
That
refrigerator.
would be your basic refrigerator.
There's plenty of counter space up here. You got a little coffee machine, and
USB ports.
no,
No, that's all AV stuff.
that's all, yeah.
Television.
So no USB ports up here.
Not
Just
any over here
be
either.
warned. There's no USB ports anywhere. Here's a little bench. Kai's claimed it for hers. There's Miss Tiana.
Which table?
This is the bathroom area. You can close it off with the curtain.
What? I gotta have a cord next to me so I can turn the fan on.
Tiana's like 3D.
And I can't do it over there. 'cause it's plugged.
Here's the thermostat. And the bathroom. So 2 sinks, which is nice.
I would take that.
Sparkly countertop. And Aladdin lamps,
I would make my own
and 2 mirrors. Again, here is a place where you can hang your things with iron and ironing board, extra pillow and blanket. And in here is the tub shower situation. So there's a little shelf, products on the wall, la la la, la la la. That's cute. That's cute. That's the toilet. You've all seen one before. All right, here we are. This is us for 3 nights.
Yeah.
Yay! We've lost one already.
She's down for the count.
She's down for the count.
She's doing
She's
the
hanging
little
loose.
hang loose sign.
Hawaii.
Yahoo!
Okay. Okay, we're gonna say goodnight, or good morning, or aloha, or I can't get us both in there because I'm short.
Hold on.
I gotta squat. I gotta do this.
No, Mom, I got you. Smile. Be happy. You're on air. Okay.
Peanuts
Talk.
in my teeth.
Talk.
Okay. Hi.
Hi, Peanut Teeth.
We had a really good flight. I mean, everything about it was good.
Everything was really good today. It was a very easy travel day.
Yeah, it was like effortless.
Yeah.
And that's
Good.
very unusual.
Drive to the airport was easy. Getting through security was easy. The new Denver airport situation
Is
was
easy.
Getting our rental car was easy.
Easy.
Flight was easy, except it was
Easy.
late. That's, you know, but that's okay.
It's like it's sad that we're getting used to
We
it.
found a parking spot.
It
that
was
wasn't
easy.
too bad. We got in our room.
It was
Okay,
easy.
the plug situation in our cameraman.
The plug
Cameraman. The plug situation in our room is a little scarce.
It's in weird spots.
They're in weird spots.
They're in weird spots. It's like by the door. You can't even plug in the coffee maker. That's weird.
Yeah, it's weird.
Unless you put it over there on the table. But
Yeah.
the cord's like this long.
I mean, the room is cool. I
It's like
love
this
it.
long.
Don't
I
get me
love
wrong.
this room, but yeah.
It's just the plug situation that's a little funky,
Yeah, we'll
but
get around
you gotta sort that out.
Yeah.
So we're gonna say goodnight.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you so much for traveling with us today. We hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you know when we post, and please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed our video. And we will see you next time.
Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.